Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I've got another great card to show you with these adorable little meerkats from the Gangs All Meer stamp set. This is a level 1 reward item with Celebration, meaning you can get it free with your $60 purchase until March 31st. I'm also going to be using the Stamparatus, which is Stampin' Up's amazing stamp positioning tool. Now this just so happens to cost $67, which means if you buy it before March 31st, you'll automatically qualify for a level 1 reward item. So you could get this stamp set for free or choose any other level 1 item. So your cardstock measurements are a card base of 8.5 by 5.5 inches, a crumb cake layer, which is 4 by 5.25 inches. I've got another layer that's the same color as my card base, Early Espresso, and that's 3 by 4.5 inches. And then a piece of white that is 2 3/4 inches by 4.25 inch. Now I'm going to run my crumb cake layer through my Big Shot using the stone embossing folder from the Power of Hope bundle. This is part of a bundle that's also in the Celebration catalog. It's a level 2 reward item, so it comes with the embossing folder and the beautiful Power of Hope stamp set as a level 2 reward, meaning you can get it free if you spend $120. And there we go, we've got that all embossed. One of the things I love about this embossing folder is that both sides of the cardstock look amazing. It's just a really cool effect. Now I'm going to set up my Stamparatus. You can see that I have marked on my grid paper here exactly where I want to put my white cardstock so that I can be sure to stamp it in the same place every time. I've already lined up my stamps where I want them to be, so all I need to do is ink it up with crumb cake. And one thing I like to do when I'm using my Stamparatus is just to put a case underneath that hinge just to support it while I'm inking it up. And there it is. Ta-da! How easy is that? So I can stamp these little guys multiple times and make a whole stack of cards, and the stamps will be in the exact right spot every time. I won't need to worry about accidentally stamping something crooked or even upside down, which has happened before. And then all I need to do is stamp a little birthday hat on some scrap white paper and fussy cut that out. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card by sharing the video. Just comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. So now that you've checked out some of the many Celebration items available, I hope you're excited to earn your own, and I would love it if you shopped with me. You can shop online at inkyfingers.ca and earn your own free Celebration items with a purchase of $60 or more. And celebration is the best time of year to host a party, so if you're interested in earning additional free products on top of your celebration rewards, contact me and we'll start planning your party. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I really appreciate it and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And especially if there's something specific that you're interested in learning about, please let me know. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, the local workshop schedule, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page under Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me to start planning your own virtual or in-home party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye!